Hi, this is Dr. Franks, and I'd like to talk to you about the structure for the business plan. If you're going to do a business plan in this class, you're going to want to prepare a document that you could take to the bank and get a bank loan based on what you've put into the plan. As such, the plan should include the following elements. It should have a table of contents, followed by an executive summary, no longer than a page. Then you want to do a market analysis. What's the environment like for bringing into existence a business such as the one that you're identifying? After that, you need to create for that business a mission statement, a vision statement, and a set of business objectives. Then it's helpful to the bankers if you can include a proposed organization structure. What functions are you going to include in your business plan? These should be described in fair detail, including for sure a description of how you're going to do marketing, what the competitive environment is, what the legal structure of the business is going to be, what managerial expertise you're going to need, what support personnel you plan on having, financial information including a proposed first-year budget, and you also need to include a budget of what your expenses are going to be during that year, especially if you expect the business to support you. Lastly, you do a summary of what you've prepared, followed by your references. Business plans differ from case studies in that they tend to be more clipped and shorter. The format tends to follow something that looks more like an outline rather than a narrative paper. So a typical business plan usually works out to be between 15 and 20 pages. And that's the outline for the business plan.